Maggie, come on. Want to get the chooks? Hi, it's Penny from Farmyard Wellness again. I'm attempting another vlog. I'm very bad at it, but I think I'm getting a little bit better each time I do one. So please be patient. I will, I promise I will get better. I'm just doing my morning jobs. I'm going to let the chooks out. They're up here at the front of the property, and they're very nice accommodation, and they spend most of the day outside, just walking around the paddocks and finding grubs and worms and that sort of lovely stuff. So here we go. Chookies. Hey babies. Hello. 2 little brown ones, 2 little black ones. And I've had them for probably a year and a half now. So they well and truly know their way around and love their life here, nice and free. There's one egg. Now, while I'm here, this is where they sort of stand. I don't know why they stand on that. It's a doorway that goes through to the other part of their house, and so a lot of poo gathers on that, as you can see. And I take that off periodically, and I make a delicious brew of chook poo soup, I call it. So I just put it in I've got a big rubbish bin, a big plastic rubbish bin that I use, and I just put the dried chook poo in the bottom and fill it with water and give it a stir every now and again. And if Kelly, hello baby, it's alright, who lives near the beach, sometimes she gets seaweed, and then I put seaweed in with it as well, and it's a perfect food for the organic garden. So when Kelly gets some seaweed next, I'll do another batch of that, because I haven't done it for a while and I'm out of it. And of course, it's spring time here in Australia, so all the I've got a lot of spring seedlings in, and I've just put another lot of seeds in yesterday. So I grow the seeds in containers, and when they grow into seedlings, I transplant them into the garden. Now here's everybody's favourite, who has to stay in her pen now. This is Astro, of course. And I have to put her in with the other goats in their paddock during the day, and she stays in this one at night because she loves this paddock. But I like her. Sorry, I'll just put the camera down for a tick while I do this. No. Okay, she's on her lead now. Yes, she doesn't like it because she knows I'm taking her up to the goat paddock to stay with the others, and she wants to be up near the house. But the trouble is, she's now a fully grown goat, and I raised her from a baby, and she eats all my plants, don't you? And you wreck everything. Yes, you make a big mess everywhere. So she now has to pretend she's actually a goat and stay up here with the others. She's sort of made friends with a couple of them, but you know, we'll get there. So come on, come on. Here is the goat's paddock. That's Sherlock, dark coloured one in front there. Come on. I'll just put the camera up here. You'll be able to see some of the goats coming up. Hello birds. No, going to walk away. All right. Now I'm going to go. Hello goats. Hello Sherlock. Hello Bobby. Hello Lindy. Hello Buffhead. Hello Heidi. Poor little Buffhead here. She just turned up one day and joined the flock. Don't know where she came from. She escaped somewhere, but hang on, Buffhead, good girl, Buffhead, Buffhead, let me see her. Her ear has been half torn off, so whoever had her, whoever she escaped from, ripped out, obviously stole her, and ripped out her tag, her identification tag, and just ripped it out and ripped her ear in half and sort of dangling by a little bit. This is Watson. This is my little boy, aren't you? You're my little boy. Yeah, you are. Hi, Bobby. Hi, Watson. They're so friendly, the goats. They're just beautiful. This is Casper, Ty, and Noodles. Now I planted Kai and myself, and of course he had my buddy with me. Kai and myself planted some native plants to go along the fence here. We extended the electric fence to make this little area here, so the goats can't get into it. So I've planted 4. There's one. They're not very big, but they're not tiny. And there's one. And I put them in the day before yesterday because I knew yesterday was going to be a very rainy day, which it was. And there's that one. That one's really good. You can see on the label it has bright red flowers, and that grows into quite a big bush. Of course we're in Australia, so these are all Australian natives, and they're all native to this area where we live. Oh, excuse me, you little brat. Now, what else we did the other day, so it's very busy in springtime, is this is where we kept the goats before we got finished the electric fence around around the paddock, so it's the only way to keep them in. So this area here at the front was all trampled and it was just all mud. So when the day before yesterday, I sprinkled a whole heap of sunflower seeds covering all this area, and I hope they grow. It'll be lovely if they do, because this is all being rested now, and it's very rich soil because it's got covered in goat poo. Hello, Lindy. I felt you giving me a little kiss. Lindy is Astro's mother. So, and she rejected her when the day, you know, as soon as she was born. But they're actually becoming friends now, which is nice. So we'll keep you updated on the sunflowers if they start growing. I hope they do. No, you can't go in there, Lindy. Okay. Now, I don't know if you've been watching anything on our channel up to now, but I've been doing a tadpole watch. So we've got tadpoles growing in one of the containers up here. In fact, we've got some in that this water container as well. But it was really heavy rain we had yesterday, and this is the tadpole bucket, and we've been watching them grow. So if you go to the channel, you can have a look at tadpole watch. Some of these are just about to get legs. They're quite a decent size, but of course eggs are laid at different times and hatch at different times. But that there's quite a few that are quite decent size and won't be far away from. Oh, I've got a goat on either side of me helping. Oh, 3 goats. Goats everywhere. So, still no frogs. Oh, there's a great big one down the bottom. They're so close. I don't know anything about tadpoles, so I'm learning too. And I had a bit of interest in, like, it seemed a silly thing to do, but I think a lot of people don't know about nature. Oh, Noodles, what are you doing? Hey, what are you doing? Do you like my jumper? Do you like my jumper, baby? Yes. These goats are just so fantastic, and they're so amazing with the clients that come. I always bring them into the goats. Goats are just full of love. They're so gentle. They're very rough with each other, but they're very gentle with people. They've all been brought up with kindness, of course. It's the only way in my book to do anything. Okay, I don't know why Astro's disappeared. That's unusual. So that's the goat paddock. We only have tank water here. We don't have any town water or piped water. So we collect water from every one of these shelters. So we've got 3 in this paddock, and over the other side I think there's 7 shelters. I don't think there's any tadpoles in here, but we'll have a look. You never know if you don't have a look. No, don't think so. I don't know where Astro's disappeared to. You can't get rid of her. Well, love. Next sunny day you're getting a wash. Yep. They're all losing their winter coats at the moment, so I'm going to have to wash all of them. nugget. Hello. Look at beautiful little nugget. And beautiful big Goldie. See how big Nugget is now? You're just getting bigger and bigger, aren't you, Nugget? I'll try and get rid of your winter coat too soon. Say hello. There you go, steamed you up. She steamed you up. That was nice of her. I'll come back later and see ya. Oh, and here's little Stormy. Hello, Stormy. Hello, baby. Hello. And here's Monty, all covered in mud again. Old Monty. He's in the diet paddock, aren't you? You're in the diet paddock. And in here we have, that's Monday. That's Monday. He's a blind horse that stays here, looking for his seeing eye pony, who completely ignores him when he's calling out. She's here, Monty. You're just near her. That's Peggy. She's just there, baby. That's right. Good boy. There you go. She did wait for you. That was pretty nice of you, knowing what you are. You're a little brat. Good boy, Monty. So, Peppy's got a really bad sway back. Got her from the market because she was going to the dog place, doggers. So she's old and she's just staying here forever, like Verve is. They're all just, and Monty, they're just here because they're safe here and they can just live their lives the way they want to. Monty's quite comfortable in this paddock. He knows it very well. I've never moved him to another paddock, so he knows his way around this one, so he doesn't bump into things. This was 3 paddocks and I just turned it into one big one, so he'd have plenty of room. So that's them. So that's pretty much it for now. So I'm going to check out the garden shortly. So I'll add that to this vlog, or I might do it separate. Perhaps I'll waffle on to this one maybe. And anyway, thank you all for watching. Please remember, if you like what we're doing here, to like and subscribe to the channel to help us grow and help us feed all the animals. Yeah, we've got so many, haven't we? Lots of friends for you. Yes, Bossy Boots, I'm getting your hay. Okay, thank you very much for watching. I'll see you in the next vlog and hopefully it will improve a bit each time. Thank you, and thank you for your patience. Bye.